Hello everybody, and in this class we will learn how to use the sort command in Excel. It allows you to organize your data in a manner which is helpful in analyzing it better. Well, to use the sort command, we have to ensure that our data is aligned appropriately and has a header like this. So we have the dates mentioned here, the products mentioned here, the countries and the cities mentioned here where these products were sold, the total sales and the contributing months are mentioned here. All right. This is a decently sized data set. Now we can sort it to help our needs. To sort the data, just click anywhere in the data and click on custom on sort. All right, sort A to Z, and your data has become sorted now. See, when I said A to Z, so on this, since I clicked on this cell, so everything gets sorted based on this cell. So now the A letter words are coming, then the B, then the C's, then the F's, F, H, M, Subaru, Volvo. All right. So this is how the data got sorted automatically. So all these figures also got sorted. So Austin Martin came in line with Pakistan. Pakistan came in line with Islamabad and the corresponding sales also and the dates. So this is how you use sort. And now say let's try to click over here and say again go on sort and try a custom sort. So what it will do is it will automatically select the data. See, the data would be a continuous range. If it finds a break, it will start the sort procedure from point 1 till the point where there is a break. So now you can choose on what basis you want to apply the sort. Say I want to apply the sort on the basis of city. So sort on what? Values. Yes, values would be these numbers. And order, what do you want the order to be? Lowest to highest, highest to lowest. So let's do it Z to A. So now you find the highest values to be on top. We will be able to see it over here much easily. I click over here, I click on sort, custom sort, I click on total sales, I click on values, I smallest, largest to smallest, and see. So this is how sort works in Excel. See you in the next video.